Hello and welcome. My name is MarkHogan and this is my assignment 2 for advanced game dev. So first of all, I'll start the first level. The first level is a maze, generated maze. As you can see, I have the quest system working, so it displays at the top, it says I'm on the maze quest, start your quest, and then the objectives I have to go through. Press Q, that'll get rid of that. Then you can see I have an animated character. If I walk forward, he walks forward. If I go back, he does a different animation. So it's a 3D animated character that moves using a character controller. When I move my mouse, he turns. As you can see, I also have enemies in the level. So if I run up to this guy, he should disappear. I also have a inventory, so if I press I, you can see my inventory, and you can see some of the items I've added already. All kind of wrestling related items, just to keep with the theme of the wrestling player. If I run up to an NPC, you can see there is dialogue, so John Cena is the first guy, and if you just give him different answers, and then the dialogue eventually ends. Same with this guy over here. And this guy is The Rock. So 2 separate dialogues for 2 separate NPCs. Go through him again and he is done. So on the bottom left I have XP. You get XP when the player runs up and collects an item for his inventory. So here's a ladder. I didn't have 3D models for this, so I just created some basic cubes. So this is a ladder. If I pick that up, open up my inventory, you can see there's now a ladder in my inventory. So then if I run up to a sign, I pick it up, and then you can see there's a sign there. So there is also a shop, which is the red box over here. So if I move the player over here real quick, so if I walk up to the shop, it'll display the shop. I can add a monster drink and it takes away from my money, and I'll buy a chair and then pay for that, which then gets added to my inventory. So you can see the chair in my inventory. So then once a player completes the level, the player does this by getting all 3 enemies and items. And once that happens, it loads the procedurally generated level. So if I come in here, you have trees and coloring based on height. You have, as you can see on the quest, it'll display the second quest, which is actually, it gives it the same amount of instructions, because I didn't change it. It's just the same thing, but you can see it's a different quest because it says landscape at the top. Press Q, that gets rid of that. And same thing, so if you collect the items, you can go up to the shop, and you can go up to the NPCs and do the same thing. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. And I believe I have implemented all the features in the list, and those are listed in my text file for the features. Okay, so thanks.